So can you actually delete Amazon orders? Say for example, if you share your account with your partner and you don't want them to see what you've actually brought on Amazon, can you just go ahead and delete them? So I'm going to answer this question on Amazon on the computer, then I'll talk about doing it on Amazon on the phone app. So on the computer on Amazon, and I'm on amazon.co.uk by the way, if you're on amazon.com it might be a little bit different, but it's going to be the same, it just might be in different locations. So if you go to your account here and then go to your orders, you'll bring up all of your orders once you've entered in your password here. Now if you haven't been on this page before, it's going to show you all of your orders and what you've brought on Amazon. So what you can do here, the only thing you can actually do, you can't delete orders because Amazon keeps orders for like tracking purposes and I don't know, for tax purposes. But what you can do if you share an account with your significant other is you can actually archive an order. So here we can click on archive order, and what that's going to do is it's going to archive this specific order. Now that means that you can still view it, but you can only view it from the archived orders tab. You can archive up to 500 orders. So if we go and click archive order here, it's going to go from 3 orders placed in the past 6 months to 2 orders placed in the past 6 months. So that's how you can do it on the computer. Now it isn't a great solution, but it's the only solution that Amazon actually gives us. If you're looking for a way to do it on the actual app, on the mobile app that you download on your phone, then click the link in the description or the card on screen, and it will take you to a video which will walk you through doing it on there.